What is going on, everybody? This is Random Topics with Humor here today, and today we're going to be reviewing Chick-Fil-A's breaded sandwich. Yes, well, it looks pretty good. Yes, here's what it looks like. I think it's the breaded sandwich. It might be called something different. I love Chick-fil-A. I love their sandwiches. It's good stuff, but it's very good stuff. Anyways, guys, let's get to it. Okay, guys. So yeah, it looks awesome, smells awesome. I took the pickles off, but shoot, still a chicken sandwich. Anyways, cheers. Not bad. That is excellent. I have been starving all day. This is just what I needed. Wow, perfect, perfect. Right on the spot. Right on the spot. The chicken is great. The bun is great. The damn sandwich is great. Shit. I cannot complain, guys. It was, it's some pretty good stuff. I would rate this a, let's give it a 8.5 out of 10. That is pretty high, but I think it deserved it. But, anyways, yes, 8.5 out of 10, Random Topics with Humor. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will, as always, see you guys next video. Till next time, guys.